As families and friends, you form the community of support that surrounds the bride and the groom. Each of you, by your presence today, is being called upon to uphold them in honoring and loving each other. Always stand beside them, never between them. Offer them your love and your support, not your judgment. Encourage them with your kindness and loving hearts, and help them by honoring this marriage into which they have come to be joined today. You and I and all of us here are here to celebrate the love that Josh and Kayla have cultivated, as well as the love that each of you has given them throughout their lives.
I enter into marriage with you knowing that together we will face life's sorrow no less than its sweetness, its frustration along with its grace and ease, disappointments along with its fulfillment.
You are a constant inspiration to me every day of my life. You are a force for good, both in our lives and the lives of so many others.
Our hearts in tender love, He's out. I can see.